experience, typically 1 or 2 people are in charge, usually your executor or the administrator, a personal representative, and oftentimes when an estate matter takes that prolonged period of time, it creates unsettled feelings with other family members. There may be poor communication. I have several cases right now that I'm working on. Estate matters, probate matters, even trust administration matters. I find when there's a prolonged period of time that goes by, one family member hires the family attorney to do the probate or do the trust settlement, and there's little to no communication with all the other family members. Usually a little unsettling relationships arise. Oftentimes the other family members won't be getting their questions or concerns answered or addressed, and what do? Next? They go out and they hire an attorney like myself to help them. And I'm glad to help them, but the sad part about it is now you have a family, their relationships are soured, potentially forever, and they're paying attorneys. They're paying not one attorney, but they're paying 2 attorneys. So it's very important to have that proactive communication, and even better yet, create your trust and get your assets into your trust while you're alive and well. So if the shoe drops on one of you, or boom, if both shoes drop unexpectedly, your family's not dealing with probate court. Probate court, another good reason to avoid probate court is it can be expensive. Most law firms charge by the hour. So if you go into Boston, I've heard recently they're charging as much as $700 per hour. Down here in the South Shore, it could be about $300 an hour, give or take $50. And how attorneys get paid, they get paid for their time. So while they're working on that case for a year and a half, the meter is running the entire time. Every email, every phone call, every review of a document, every task the attorney's working on is getting billed. And that's how the attorney gets compensated for their time. That's okay, but families ought to be made aware of how they are going to be charged and how their estate is going to be charged after they're gone.